Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is movement towards the independence. What was the name of the chapter, dear children? Movement towards the independence. It means भारत आजादी तरफ प्रयाण. The period from 1920 to 1947. What happened there, dear children? The period from 1920 to 1947 is considered as a Gandhian age, and the Gandhian movement for struggle for the independence. What happened there, dear children? We have considered the period from 1920 to 1947 as a Gandhian age or Gandhian movement for the struggle of the independence India. This second stage of the national movement of India is the struggle for having the constitutional right. Moreover, it is the struggle for the freedom of India too. This struggle passes through a stream of events and there was a uniform effect of it. So, we shall observe the effect in this chapter. First of all, they have to given about the Simon Commission. What they have to given, dear children? They have to given about the Simon Commission in 1942. Montfort, what happened there? Montfort, it means the Montague Chelmsford 1919 amendment declared that a commission should be sent to the India after the tenure to examine the effect and the operation of the constitutional reform and the suggest more reform for the India. But 2 years later, the government appointed the Simon Commission. The commission consists of Sir John Simon and the 7 members. What happened there, dear children? Here, the commission consists of the Sir Simons and the 7 other members are there. All of them were the member of the British Parliament. There was not a single Indian as a member in this commission. Indian recommended that inclusion of Indian member in the commission so as to understand the problem in the pains of the Indian society. But the British reject this recommendation. What happened there, dear children? Whatever the Simon Commission is there, here the Sir John Simon and 7 other members are there. But Indian leader demanded that you to include the Indian members in this commission. But British reject this recommendation. So the Indian decided to oppose it. Simon Commission was greeted with the strike, assembly, procession, loud slogan, Simon go back up, and unfurling a black flag and appear. The British government suppressed the movement mercilessly. The assistant police superintendent ordered the lathi charge, and that's why the Lalaji is in procession. Lala Lajpat Rai was injured seriously by taking the lead of the procession in the Lahore. Few months later, he passed away due to this lathi charge. The news of Lalaji's death instigated the Veer Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru. Therefore, they killed Sundar Shah, and that's why what happened there? They killed the Sundar Shah. Now, dear children, second thing in your textbook here, Simon Commission, they have given the date 1940, but this is the wrong date is there. That's why, and last thing, this is the wrong date, and you have to write down the 2 year that 1927. Which year you have to write down, dear children? Year 1927. You have to write down in your textbook. They have to given the 1942. You have to cross out and you have to write down 1927 for the Simon Commission. Second one, dear children, they have to given about the Nehru Committee. What happened there? They have to given about the Nehru Committee. With the opposition of the Simon Commission, Hindi Wazir, what happened there? Hindi Wazir, Birkenhead Simon presented a draft of the constitution as in the Simon Commission, in which it stated that the Indian leaders of the whole party for further think upon what the Simon Commission said. That Simon Commission said that all the parties of the Indian leader formulate an appropriate one constitution, and this constitution the British government will further think upon that constitution. By understanding this challenge and the report, the National General Assembly President drafted the one Nehru Committee report. This report, which was given, is known as the Nehru Report, which states the dominion status, independent judiciary, fundamental rights, adult suffrage. Eventually, the British government rejected the recommendation made in this report. After, dear children, they have to give about the demand for complete the independence in 1929. What they have given the dear children? Here they have given the demand for the complete independence in 1929. It means Purna Swarajyani Mangni 1929. During this time, the National Assembly member Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose were active a national leader. They were the propagator of complete independence. What happened then, dear children? In National Assembly's member Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose were active as a national leader, and they were propagate for the demand for the complete independence. Youth of India were not happy with the dominion status. That's why on the bank of the river Ravi in Lahore, under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, National General Assembly passed one resolution to complete the independence. What happened that, dear children? In National General Assembly, they passed one resolution to complete the independence. After that, on 26 January 1930, the member took the oath of complete the independence. What happened then? After that, on 26 January 1930, the member took oath, it means pratigya, of complete the independence. Since then, the January 26 has become the memorable for all of us. Independent India has made the Republic Day memorable by implementing the Constitution of India on this day. Dear children, now you have to understand that why every year we are celebrated the 26th January. What happened that on 26th January as a Republic Day, the memorable day for implementing the Constitution of India on this day, because first time on 26th January 1930, the member took oath to complete the independence, and that's why the January 26th has become one of the memorable for all of us. After, dear children, they have to even about the